How to log out WhatsApp from Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. So on the WhatsApp application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now, tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on Settings. As you tap on Settings, select on Account. Now, as you tap on Account, here you can see there is no option to log out of WhatsApp. You will have the option to switch account by adding on your account, or you can delete your account. But if you want to just get out of this WhatsApp from this Android, what you can simply do is launch the settings application on your device. As you launch the settings application, simply what you need to do is scroll down and tap on the option of app. Then select on manage apps over here. And as you select on the manage app option, tap on the search bar and search for WhatsApp application. So let's search for WhatsApp over here. And the app will pop up at the bottom, so you just have to wait for a little while until the app pops up. So let's just search and wait for the application. So just tap on it now, and here what you can simply do is tap on the option of clear data, and then here you can just tap on clear cache, and if not possible, and if possible you can just tap on manage space and you can just clear all the data over here. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.